The Reserve Bank of India is in the final stages of the rollout of the retail central bank-backed digital currency, or the CBDC. RBI will first test the retail CBDC with 10,000 to 50,000 users in a pilot project. State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank of India, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Yes Bank and IDFC First Bank are participating in the trial project, which RBI will later extend to the entire banking system. In this video, we will discuss the rewards and challenges of introducing an e-rupee. Officials indicated that the platform for CBDC is being hosted by the National Payments Corporation of India and will be similar to that of the current UPI platform. But if this e-rupee works, won't it be a competition or challenge to the UPI system?
So basically, we don't have to look at CBDC as a replacement of something. Why the central bank is introducing it? Because it wants to complement the entire system which is there. So we have cash, we have digital transactions, and we will have a digital currency. It is not meant to replace any existing form of transactions. It is just meant to complement it.
Now let us talk about the use cases of the retail CBDC. There are mainly three crucial use of digital currency. The first is wholesale transaction, second is cross-border payments, and third is consumer to merchant retail trade.
It will significantly reduce the kind of currency management that banks and RBI have to do. So, at the end of each and every day, branch reports it to the currency chest, and then the entire settlement process happens at the back end, that how much money is being kept in the currency chest, how much money is coming from RBI chest, and how much money is coming from several other banks. So that, currency management will significantly reduce. From currency management comes handling of cash. There are several companies in India which are just built on this entire model of transporting cash from one place to the other. So the entire handling of cash will reduce significantly. The other aspect is on the retail side. Right now we have platforms like UPI, but even for the money that retail consumers keep in their savings and cash accounts, they could look at keeping digital or e-rupee in their cash accounts. The other thing is that as of now, the banking system in general hasn't explored the blockchain technology so much, right? So if something like this comes into the picture, then there could be a vast use of blockchain technology and settlement and all those things that could significantly reduce operational costs for banks.
But there are other benefits too, one of which is what demonetization was trying to accomplish. That is reducing the dependency on cash. India has a unique case where the cash in the economy has shot up despite rapid digitization in the payment space. A pilot survey conducted by the Reserve Bank of India on retail payment habits of individuals in 6 cities between December 2018 and January 2019 indicated that the cash remains the most preferred mode of payment for receiving money for regular expenses, followed by the digital method. Another significant benefit is cross-border payment. India is the world's largest remittance recipient, receiving around 87 billion in 2021.
Today, we require multiple days for cross-border payments. If we are using, on the wholesale side, a digital currency to transact, it could be done well within, a few minutes or a few hours. That is what, the target is, to significantly reduce settlement risk and the time taken, for cross-border payments.
Therefore, the cost of sending remittances to India assumes critical relevance, especially given the large Indian diaspora spread across the world. Now let us talk about the challenges.
The biggest challenge obviously is that could this potentially bring disintermediation. If I am just keeping money with the central bank directly, or if there is a particular run on the bank and money could be transacted within minutes. So these are some things that the RBI is working on.
Another and the biggest impediment would be anonymity. Of course, you won't want anyone to know what you are planning to buy as a matter of privacy. But complete anonymity, such as offered by cash, does not appear to be a viable option.
Within the RBI, there is a school of thought that at least till 50,000 rupees, there has to be some anonymity. how that will work, because for every digital transaction I'm doing a trace, so we don't know how it will work, but there will be something that the RBI is working on to give at least some portion of anonymity.
So the answer to the viability of digital currency lies in anonymity.